In this lesson, we will be learning how to make your Luckin coffee pop up from your iPhone. The tools you'll be using are Cut and Split. Tap on New Project. Select the video that you have recorded. Scroll through the clip and align to the part where you want your transition to begin. In other words, it is the part before your object appears. Next, tap on the clip and select Split. Now, scroll to the part to where your object appears and tap Split. After splitting, you should have 3 separate clips. Select the middle clip and tap Delete. Check that your transition is smooth. You may play back your video and cut out parts of the clip to ensure your transition is smooth. Here are the results.